Namaskar everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the Tughlaq by Girish Karnad. This is 13 scene play is set during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the one of the masterpiece of Girish Karnad. Tughlaq is Girish Karnad's first play in English. It is called historical play, published in 1970. Girish Karnad is one of the greatest Indo-Aryan dramatists. He has basically written in Kannada. Some of his plays have been translated into English by himself. He has only 3 notable works to his credit. They gave him prestigious plays. Tughlaq is considered as the most famous work. Tughlaq is the second play of Girish Karnad. It is indeed a historical play written in the backdrop of the modern times. Here, the dramatist describes certain events of region of medieval sultan named Muhammad bin Tughlaq. It deals with his decision to move his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad and from Daulatabad to Delhi. In this highly entertaining play, Karnad explored the paradox of idealistic sultan whose reign is considered the most dramatic failure in Indian history. Tughlaq dramatizes the opposites, the ideal and the real, he divine aspiration and the political interest. Tughlaq is the protagonist of the new drama. He has been presented as an idealistic aiming of Hindu-Muslim unity at secularism and also a building a new future for India. He knows for his knowledge of philosophy and poetry, but unfortunately he is divided within himself. Tughlaq was indeed an idealistic and visionary king. In the play, Tughlaq is respected by his people, but it was rumored that Tughlaq gained the kingdom by killing his father and brother due to his declaration of the shifting of the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Both the Hindu and Muslim became against the king. It is unfortunate because Tughlaq wished for their unity by this act. Tughlaq was a learned fellow and a lover of judgment, but at the same time he was a cunning fellow who committed many murders. Tughlaq's stepmother, Sheikh Azmi, etc., all are killed by him. Barney warned him, but due to his suspicious nature, he did things which all went against him. In the end of the play, Sultan is found all disappointed and dejection. In fact, his whimsical nature brought shameful situation to him. Thus, Tughlaq is a nice play. Karnad's adept use of symbolism, irony and humor makes it a modern play, and the dramatist deals with the problem of search of identity and the problem of isolation and frustration. Through it is a historical play, but when artistic necessity required, Karnad does not hesitate to deviate it from history. Thank you.